Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. A great way to make your YouTube channel stand out is by creating a custom banner that showcases your brand and style. In this video, we will show you how you can create a YouTube banner in Canva, step by step. We'll cover everything from choosing the right dimensions to selecting the perfect graphics colors and fonts to make your banner visually appealing and consistent with your brand. We will also provide some tips and best practices to help you create a professional looking banner that will attract more subscribers and viewers to your channel. So, let's get started and create a stunning YouTube banner in Canva today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, first thing first, let's get ahead and open our browser. Then I will need you guys to go to the URL section and then launch Canva. So this is the browser and this is the website. For me, I'm just going to choose the English version just to keep it simple in English so we don't have any problem with the language. And then let me show you how it's gonna be looking like when you first open it. It's gonna be something like that. So they will ask you for login or a sign up. So there is Gmail, Facebook, or continued email, and there is other ways like Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, and your mobile phone. Here, as you can see, there is some plans and pricing, so you can get that Canva is actually premium. It has the free version, but here you will find like the pricing. So here, let's compare pricing. As you can see, there is the free version, which is super good, not bad at all, really, really good. This is the pro version, which is about $16 for here. It is only for one person, and this one is for teams, which is about 90 per year. It is yearly. If you want to per month, it's gonna be $6.5 per month, and this one is about 8.5. So they give you a bunch of features like the access to multiple templates that they are premium and they are so much better than the free version. You will have a cloud storage, you can have like customer support, and you pay as you grow. As you can see here, you can read this by your own and choose which one is the best for you. Now let's go ahead and log into our accounts. So I'm going to log into my Gmail account, and here I am. Let me just close these tabs because we don't need them. Now let's click here to create a design. So for us, what we're gonna do is we need to create a YouTube banner. So as you can see, they will give you like directly YouTube banner like dimensions, which is 25, 60, 14, 40. So let's go ahead and click on it. This is the banner that we are going to use, or the dimensions. Here, they will give you some suggestions of some banners that you can use. For example, if you were a gamer, you can use this one. But as you can see, this one is premium. So let's check one this which is completely free. For example, this one. Yeah, it looks pretty insane. Like it's not insane, it is simple but good. So for example, here you can put your name. So I'm going to put here lovely, and here games. I'm going to make it like that. Here, for example, which game I play, Valorant, League of Legends, something like that. And here I'm going to drag, for example, we can go to here, Valorant, PNG, and drag the image of the logo of the game. So let's keep it like that, like so, and let me just drag it over here. As you can see, I have added it. So I'm going to add it, for example, in here, as you can see. And now I'm going to drag League of Legends logo as well. So League of Legends PNG, and here it is. So we can go with this one as well, if it is possible. Nice, it is possible. And let's drag it into our project. Let me just close this and drag it over here. Here we go. And here we go. So here they are the games that we are going to play in our channel. So we can add, for example, something like a text over here, or we can just copy this text, paste it, and then here I'm going to add games and paste it over here. So I'm going to paste them like that, or we can just keep them in the middle over here, and instead we can keep them like so. Here I can remove this pro gamer, for example, and instead we can just keep them like so over here. This is just like example. Then we can go to elements, search for example Twitter. They will give you the logo of Twitter. So here I'm going to drag it and like so, and drag a text as well, or let me just copy this because I like it how it looked like. And here add your Twitters, for example, at lowly, and next to this one over here. And then search as well for Instagram. So Instagram, drag the logo of it and put it as well over here. So let's make sure they are the same. And here I'm going to copy this, paste it, and let's drag it over here, the same level. And this is like an idea of your social medias. So let me just remove these two because I find them really ugly. Now what's the next thing that we can add? All right, we can add, for example, how much like subscribers you have at the moment. So we can say, for example, something like 100K. Let's find it out. Graphics. Alright, we didn't find it. Subscribe. Alright, this is pretty cool. We can add this to here. We can actually add it here. Yeah, this looks pretty much cooler than it breaks the colors. So this is cool. We can add it over here. We can also add multiple stuff to this image. So we can add your an image of you, for example. You can upload like whatever thing you'd like to add. You can draw over it. So we can just do something like so and draw, for example, a signature view or something like that. Let me just try. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, we can do like a heart if that's. Let me just try to draw a heart. Yeah, it looks like a heart. We can make something like so, something like so. I don't know what is this, what I'm doing exactly, but anyway. So yeah, so basically this is what you can do using Canva. Of course, if you'd like to add more designs or more stuff from other designs to here, we can do it as well. You can, for example, open this, add as a new page, and then what you're gonna do exactly now is copy these two and drag them to the top. So what it's gonna do is simply it's gonna show them in the top, and you can do with them whatever you like. For example, here, let's just refresh this, remove this, and here I'm going to show social media. I'm going to edit the color to yellow, and then here we are. I'm going to keep it like that, and let me just try to remove this if this is possible. Alright, it is possible. As you can see, I have moved it a little bit, and as you can see, this is like social media parts. We can add also some stuff. For example, if you'd like to add your image, you can just drag these two as your presets, drag them over here, and as you can see here, you can just change the picture of this person and add your picture in the middle, and this is pretty much cool. And when you finish with all of that, you just have to click here, download, and then download it as PNG file, and then you can go to your YouTube channel and drag it over there. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys a lot for watching.